Stellantis, the powerhouse behind iconic brands like Jeep and Chrysler, is making a bold move that could reshape the American automotive landscape. In a surprising announcement, the company revealed plans to inject a staggering $13 billion into its U.S. manufacturing operations over the next 4 years. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. This massive investment isn't just about building cars. It's about creating jobs, innovating products, and executing a strategic domestic turnaround under the leadership of CEO Antonio Filosa. By 2029, this initiative is expected to add over 5,000 jobs across key states like Michigan, Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio, breathing new life into local economies. And this is the part most people miss. Stellantis isn't just expanding its footprint. It's also diversifying its product lineup, hinting at new models and technologies that could redefine the industry. But here's the controversial angle. With such a hefty investment, will Stellantis be able to compete with electric vehicle giants like Tesla? Or is this a last-ditch effort to stay relevant in a rapidly evolving market? As the automotive world watches closely, one thing is clear. Stellantis is betting big on America. What do you think? Is this a game changer or a risky gamble? Let us know in the comments below. This is breaking news, so stay tuned for more updates as this story unfolds.